We made it out of customs and directly into the arrivals area of Haneda Airport. And since I was taking care of navigation, I didn't get to film much, but it was a solid 50 minutes from Haneda Airport to Yotsugi Station, which would be our home station for this trip. And the area was pretty familiar and I was able to direct us there pretty easy, since last time our home station was Aoto Station, which is also in the Katsushika prefecture, which was basically just a couple stops after ours. Alright, so we finally made it to Japan. Room tour. Jerry stuff right here. And then it's the first floor downstairs. Pretty spacious. Pretty generous closet too. But yep, here we are. Whoa. House tour. Man, we're here, guys. We're here. We made it. I'm gonna show you guys how we get some vitamin C on our first day, right here. All right, so this is the vitamin C. Me and Joe always get this on the first arrival. Just pop it open, pop top. $150 yen. So basically it's like $1. More or less, a little vitamin C shot for $1. Can't go wrong with that. Yes, sir. We're gonna go head out to Family Mart right now. Hey, DJ's in Japan. He's so juiced, dude. Honestly, the best part of our Airbnb in Yotsugi was how ridiculously close it was to Family Mart. Like, we literally got off of the station and Family Mart is right in front of us. Take 30 steps from the house and we're there. So when I said we're about to head out to Family Mart, it was literally just a 30-second walk to some famichiki. And look at this, you can never go wrong with some famichiki. I had maybe about 10 of these over the whole trip. That Family Mart always came in clutch. What's up, dude? And later that evening, my friend Jerry from Hawaii arrived at the house. He's always in Japan, so he was just exploring around, just waiting for us to get home. Alright, welcome back for day 2 in Japan, and as you should when you're here, Family Mart, always, for some coffee and snacks, and we wanted to try some new items each time. But after that, we were off to the train station for our first stop, which would be Asakusa.
Doors on the left side will open. The Tokyo Metro Visa or Home Skyscraper. Please use stairs toward the center of
Now, some people say that this resembles traditional Tokyo, and just walking down Nakamise Dori Street to the Sensoji Temple, it's a sensory overload of smells, sounds, and just so much history. But before diving too deep into that crowd, we went up to the tourist center, the observation deck, right across the street. I highly recommend this because you get an amazing bird's eye view of Nakamise Dori and the whole area, and it's free. after all that, now we made our way to one of the most famous sites in the world. I mean, I guess, Shibuya Crossing. It's hilarious because it's literally just an intersection. But when that light turns red and everyone starts moving, it's a must-see location. But we definitely just took our time, and just the sheer amount of people flowing through there. We were even able to go up to the Mag 8 Rooftop Lounge to get some nice views up there and a free drink when you go up. Now, Harajuku and Takeshita Street. This area is just pure Tokyo street fashion and pop culture, packed with amazing shops. Now, we spent like a good hour or two just wandering around, but then all that walking around, we worked up a serious appetite. So Jerry recommended a ramen spot, and it's amazing because you order the food from a vending machine, and then they get you seated, and then the food just comes out. It's so simple, but the quality of the broth and the noodles, it's unmatched. So just find a location because there's multiple locations and you won't regret it. But after all that eating, we had to walk off the full belly, so we continued exploring around the area, checking out a few other stores nearby. And finally, to finish off the day out in Tokyo, we had to do the mandatory Family Mart stop before heading home.
Alright, so I just got this souffle pudding. This looks so aesthetic, guys. Look at it. Me and DJ are watching vlogs right now. Just checking certain details on the vlogs from last year. But this souffle is like, looks so soft. Let's check it out. Let's see what happens. Oh. Oh, dude. Oh, there's like a whipped cream, dude. Oh, okay. It's like a custard.
I like it.
Yeah. Oh, it's kind of like leche flan, dude. Oh, dude, it's like liquidy at the bottom.
Good, huh? That's your